Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So let me tell you what's going on. Chris texted me earlier last week saying he couldn't start his car. I remember him saying that his dad took it to work. It didn't start. After a few tries, it did. So next day, he was able to take it out to school, came back, tried to go out again, didn't start. So today, we're gonna help him out and go check out the car and see what's up. According to all the information he's giving to me, everything points towards the starter. He said he tried to jump start it, no luck, with a battery and with a car. So we'll try to narrow it down and see if it is a starter indeed. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, we just got here. There it is. Let's go take a look. I haven't seen this beast in a while. Let's go. Okay, first thing I did was open up the hood and check out the car. I checked around the battery area to see if there's any corrosion and to see if any connections around the battery area were properly connected. Everything looked pretty normal. I looked at the starter and it was a little caked up and dirty, but most importantly, it was aftermarket. Apparently it was from Napa Auto Parts. I'm not saying their parts are junk, but unfortunately the starter on Chris's TL was going out. We have Chris. Let's check it out. Ooh, lights on. That's good. Nothing. Okay, so it does click. Alright.
But I don't think that's what you're supposed to be hearing.
Yeah. Then I proceeded to jump start the car with my portable car jump starter. I tried to jump start it, but no luck. I just heard the same click noise around the starter area. Since we were on a side street with a ton of cars driving by, I figured it was safer to work on the car in the yard. I'm not saying we're weak, but the TL is freaking heavy. Haha. We struggled a bit to push it into the yard. In our defense, it was a little bit uphill. I'm just saying. I wanted Chris to have some wrenching experience, so I let him use my tools. Right now, he's just removing the battery so we can proceed to the starter. After removing the battery, we had to remove the metal battery tray so we can have room to remove the starter. It was just a few bolts, 2 up top, 2 on the bottom. We did have an issue reaching the 2 bolts on the bottom of the tray. It took some finagling, but we finally got them both out. We disconnected the 2 connectors from the starter and proceeded with taking out the 2 bolts that mounts it. We had to get the big boys out. We had to use the breaker bar to break the 2 bolts loose. Had to move a few things out of the way, but we were finally able to remove the starter. Let's go take a look real quick. Not sure how old it was, but it did seem to show some age. It had some rust here and there, and it did have corrosion on the wire. Installation was pretty much the opposite of removal. It went in no problems. Connected all the connectors, bolted back in the metal battery tray, put the battery back in, and we were pretty much all set. The battery was still fairly weak, so we had to jump start it. Probably needs replacing soon. Alright, moment of truth. Let's see if it starts.
Okay, let's see. Let's go!
We're all set. Just need to do final touches and we're good to go.
Alright guys, I'll see you the next time my car breaks.